Hello. I'm just going live really quickly to show y'all something that I've been meaning to share, but I keep forgetting. Okay, so the cotton cleanups, right, are these little puff balls, and it makes it easier to change your wax. This is what you can do. We use this to finish cleaning out one of the other warmers, but if you pull out this middle part, and let's see if I can turn this around. So I'm gonna clean a mini warmer, and this is too big by itself, right? So then you just pull it out there and it fits. You just give it a minute. And you can like push it around in there. I'm putting the same wax in here that I've got. This is what I warm in the garage because I don't like this wax, to be honest. So, but yeah, that's a simple way to use a cotton cleanup. And since this is a mini warmer, I'm only gonna use 1 cube of this. I'm doing this on my car, my goodness gracious. Come on, there we go. So then you just put it in there. There is definitely a fly in there, but it's fine. It's just a garage, so I don't care. But yeah, I've been meaning to show you all that forever. This is a little piece of wax that came off. So that's a little hack for you. Pull out the middle part and it'll fit. Okay, bye.